Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 9th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course. So anyways, on the Euro Yen, I definitely still think this is a 1, 2, 3. I think we are likely in a wave 4, and eventually I do think it is going to go back up for a wave 5. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this first push down is an A. I think right now we're in a crescent to that wave A, which should be a wave B, and eventually I think it will go down probably to at least a 50% for a wave C of wave 4. Keeping all this in mind, let's take it down to the daily. On the daily time frame, I think the wave A ends right here. I think this is an A of B. I think this is 3 waves down for a B of B. It's a lower low almost, or an equal low, which is why I think this is likely either a regular flat or an expanding flat. If it is a regular flat, the 105, 100 would be a very, very likely area for this to end the wave C of wave B. Whichever area it does end at, I don't really care because I should better recognize the end of a trend, especially on the correctly tuned time frame. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. As of right now, this move up has not made a new high yet, so my structure is still right here. If it does go up, which it probably will, and makes a new high, then I'll move my structure up to here, which means that if price breaks that structure, then I'll stop looking for longs. But as of right now, my most recent structure is right here, so as long as it does not break that structure, I'm doing nothing but looking for longs at the end of every single pullback I see until the markets tell me otherwise. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, very, very slow. If you watched my video the other day, I said that probably the best way to identify the end of a crescent like this is by putting a trend line on there, waiting for a breakout and waiting for a retest. And if you had done that, man, you definitely would have made some pretty nice profits because you would have been long right now and you would have been in some really nice profits right now. Now, I wouldn't be trying to go long right now. In order to go long, I would have to see another pullback. So I definitely will continue to do nothing but look for longs as long as the higher roadmap time frames continue to make higher highs and higher lows. If they break that series of higher highs, higher lows, then I'll stop looking for longs and start looking for shorts again. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.